Hey everybody, welcome back to the Midwest Melters channel. I thought I'd jump on here tonight after I got off work. It's kind of late. It's like 8 o'clock. Not too bad. Garage is a mess. A mess. Ready for that to be done. Get out of here. Have a clean shop. But anyway, what we're going to do, we're going to take the wire stripper and that welding lead off of that mess over there. And we're going to strip it down. And then we're going to weigh it. Well, we're going to put it in that bucket right there. And then we're going to weigh it on that scale that's still on the floor because I ran out of bench space. It's a mess. I still haven't got those motors done, but we'll get there. So, all right, I'm going to get set up and then we'll strip a little bit of wire. I'm not going to show it all to you because who wants to sit there and watch wire go through a machine all the time? It's pretty cool for a little bit, but I didn't think this machine would do it. So let's try. It's pretty, I don't know if you've ever messed with welding lead, but it's pretty, I don't know, the coating's very flexible, very soft. So here we go. Yeah, it went right through, first time. So it's all gonna be number 2 copper. Put it right in the bucket. This welding lead's junk. It's all cracked up. It'd never be safe to use. So basically, what I'm doing is just I'll go until I hit a bad place, and then I'll cut it off with Sawzall. Cuts real easy. That coating just falls apart. Makes it kind of hard to pull off because it's just so brittle. Stop that. I'm sure you're probably hearing that and not me talk. Like I said, this stuff's pretty brittle, so these pieces don't want to come off sometimes in full pieces. Which is why it would have never been suitable to put on my machine, or even as a backup, it would have never worked. And I got electrical tape all over it. You know, I'm not gonna undo this. Let's see if the wire stripper will just go ahead and cut it. Be pretty cool if it would. Let's just give her a whirl. Yep, cut right through it, guys. No trouble at all. So, all right, I'm gonna pause the video there. I'm gonna go ahead and strip most of it, if not all of it, and then we'll come back and weigh it in. Hey everybody, as you can see it's light out now. But I had to call her quits last night. It just got too late and there was a couple people that stopped by and I shut the video off. But I got all those welding leads stripped and I was kind of surprised how much copper I got out of them. I went ahead and I put like the battery cables and like the wires that came out of the generator. I done stripped them, put it in there too. I mean, we pretty much figured out how much copper's in an SA300, but now we're just going to see if I made a pretty good investment, which I did. So anyway, I flip you around here. Made a hell of a mess in my, sorry I cussed again. A heck of a mess in my shop here. This is terrible. I'm gonna have to get this cleaned up. I haven't even started on this yet. That'll probably be tomorrow. But anyway, I got that copper radiator cut off from those are brass. The top tank and the bottom tank or cap or whatever you want to call it, that was actually brass. So anyway, this is all the welding lead. And that's my scale. So let's weigh it up. They're zeroed out, pounds and ounces. $32 pounds, 8 ounces. Bucket weighs 2 pounds, so 30 pounds, 8 ounces. Let's go ahead and change it to kilograms for the guys that are on the metric. So 14.75 kilograms. So alright guys, that's going to be it for tonight's video. And please hit that like button. That really helps the channel. It helps get our videos pushed out there. And it's going to help us grow a little bit faster. Help the algorithm. So like I said guys, if you're new to the channel, thanks for watching the video and sticking around with us. Please subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next one.